Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a data set for a chi-square goodness of fit test. This is a test to see if distribution of a categorical variable across categories meets your null expectation. Okay, so here we have a data set. This is a simple data set from a pill bug lab. Each row represents a different observation of a pill bug. There are 29 rows in total on this, and there's only one variable, and that's side of chamber. Was the pill bug found on the wet side or the dry side? So side of chamber is a categorical variable with two categories. First thing I want to do is go over here to type, click the drop-down menu here, and I'm going to pick categorical. Okay, so now this is set as a categorical. And now I need to choose a dependent variable. And this is going to be a really easy choice because this data set only has a single variable. So I'm going to click DV here and mark this as my dependent variable. And you see it turns red. So I've done that. I've marked it as my dependent variable. And it's pretty much prepared now. So we're going to go up here to the gears icon, prepare your data. I click that. And as you come down here, the default will actually usually be a t-test. So it will look something like this, and you'll get a caution triangle here and saying your DV column is not type numeric, which it must be for a t-test. But in our case, we don't want to do a t-test. So I'm going to cancel that, go back to chi-square, and the format is sample per row. That's each row is an independent observation. That is the tidy data format that we like. I'm going to click that, and now you see all of these check marks are green, so we can go ahead and click OK down here right by my head. Click OK, and now this analyze, run a statistical test has turned red, and that is an option for us. So I click analyze, we're going to give it a title, and it'll be, we'll call it pill bugs choice chamber, and then a question, are the counts as expected across all categories of side of chamber? The computer has generated that question because we picked side of chamber as the dependent variable. I'm going to add another question, do pill bugs show a preference for wet or dry? So that's just bolstering our experimental question. I'm going to click Start Analysis, and now we have launched the analysis showing that we have correctly prepared this data set for a chi-square. So with that, I'll say happy hypothesis testing, and let me know if you have any questions.